Hi guys, it's Itslicho and today we are eating KFC. I haven't had KFC since the last time I recorded a KFC mukbang. But I got the same thing. It's the $5 fill-up, which is, this is the gravy. I said gravy on the side. Mashed potatoes, a cookie, a biscuit, and what is this? This is a thigh and a leg. Hopefully that's right. Or is this a breast? I don't know, but it smells good. I don't know exactly where my receipt's at, so I don't know how much this was, but I think it was like 5 something. And this looks like a breast now to me. I don't know the difference between a breast and a thigh. I thought the breast was drier. I don't know. My kids, also known as my dogs, they already ate, so I don't know why they're acting like this. And I never give them human food, so I don't know what their deal is. I'm gonna put the gravy to the side because I don't really care for it. So they gave me honey sauce and buttery spread. I don't know. And they also gave me hot sauce because I said I wanted some. So let's try it with this buttery spread on the biscuit. You guys hear him drinking water? Like if they didn't have the water there the whole day. I know you guys can't really see the food, so I don't know what to do. This recording area that I'm doing is really weird. I stole this table from my mom. Alright, there, you guys can kind of see it more. Here's the biscuit. This is just the skin from the top of the chicken. Today is Tuesday. Guys, I love mashed potatoes so much. I'm probably gonna give this cookie to someone here in the house. I don't really care for cookies. And this is a chocolate chip. I don't like chocolate, so that's just gonna be there for someone in this house. But okay, let's put some hot sauce on that chicken. Alright, so this piece has some sauce. I know I'm really far away from you guys. You know what I've noticed? I don't really like the hot sauce that places like restaurants give me. They're too vinegary. My favorite hot sauce is tapatio. I don't really taste the vinegar in tapatio. But in this, like all the hot sauce that I've ever gotten from different restaurants, I can taste the vinegar. And it reminds me of like hot wing sauce. So it trips me out because I'm like, I'm eating chicken, not hot wing style. I don't know. It's something in my head. I'm a little weird sometimes. But this right here. This is the stuff. This is the stuff, you guys. Wow, that almost fell. So Today's Tuesday. I went to my class, my Tuesday and Thursday class. Public speaking. I messed up in saying speaking because I have mashed potatoes in my mouth. But I'm so scared of public speaking, you guys. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Luckily the class was really small. There's only 13 people, and so I feel like that's gonna be a little better, but I don't know, man. I don't know. Obviously I need these kind of classes. I'm a communications major, or my major is communications, so there's no avoiding it. I have to do it. This is my favorite part, which is probably the most unhealthy part, right? Yeah, I know. I recorded a try-on haul yesterday. Hopefully that goes up first, and then I put this one up. I'm not too sure how I'm gonna do it. My editing software isn't working right now, so I have to use iMovies, and I'm not that good at iMovies. My dog is seriously still crying just when I said something. I seriously don't know what his deal is. I never feed him human food, so I don't know why he's over here crying, and he just finished eating. I wanted to kick him out of my room so he's not just watching me eat, because that's really sad. But he wouldn't leave. He was just running away from me in the room. So I was like, okay, but you're gonna have to be quiet. And obviously he's not paying attention to me. I know I did this for Popeyes. Was it Popeyes? Yeah, I think that's what it was. But I'm gonna try it with the biscuit with the honey, if I can open this. But I can't. Luckily I'm by my desk. Alright, so let's try it. I didn't like the Popeyes like this. Not a big fan of honey, but we'll see. Hopefully the camera's not, when I was reviewing the videos for my try on yesterday, like I wasn't on focus the whole time. Like sometimes the background would be, and sometimes it would be me. Hopefully it's not acting up that much today. Holy poop, that was actually really good. Why do I like it? Why didn't I like it in Popeyes? I'm guessing I just didn't like the biscuit at Popeyes, but the biscuit at KFC is better. I thought I just didn't like the honey on the biscuit. Wow, I'm learning so much. That's good. I'm also recording my whole week back to school again. I mean, no one watched it and watched the first one, but I kind of just want it there for myself. I want to do it until I'm done with school, so I want to see, I don't know, my little virtual diary, I guess. You guys, is this a thigh? I feel so dumb not knowing if it's a thigh or a breast. You guys, this semester, all my classes are really early. Like, I have to wake up like at 8. And that's really early for me, oh my god. I know that might not be early for some of you guys, but for me, that's really early. You guys be like, that's normal, you shouldn't be waking up at that time. But no, I don't wake up at that time. I usually like waking up at 9. Having to wake up like at 7:45, 8, it's a lot for me. I never know where to set up when I'm recording in my room. That's why I was just like recording in my car better. It's just faster and easier. Oh my god, I just love mashed potatoes so much. Let me put my honey, since I like biscuits and honey now. I'm gonna put some of the buttery spread because I don't remember how this was. This is literally terrible food for you. Fried chicken, butter on a biscuit. The honey's better. Good thing I tried it with this KFC biscuit, because I really wasn't even gonna try it. I really like KFC. I don't know why I don't eat it that often. I think it's because there's not one that close to us. Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna just finish this mashed potato, and I'm gonna leave this leg, and I'm gonna eat it with rice later. I do have a lot of mashed potatoes still left. Well, not really. There it is. I have that much, and then this spoon, which is a big spoon. Hold on, can you guys see that? Hopefully you guys can see that. But I want to eat all this mashed potato, so bless you. So that's what I'm gonna do. It's all in here, so alright, and that was that. Thank you guys so much for watching my mukbang, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.